Hi, Dr. Simal Soin here from AAYNA Clinics today. Let's talk a little bit about skin types: oily skin, dry skin. In between, there is the T-zone with the dry skin. So, as you're younger, you typically have oily skin, and as you get older, the skin becomes more dry. So, when you're younger, if you have dry skin, then you would have a tendency, as when you were growing up, to have eczema. So how do you know you have oily skin? If after washing your face there tends to be, it becomes shiny, or you feel there's oil on your skin, then you have excessive sebum secretion happening, which is what essentially causes oiliness of the skin, which blocks the pores and causes acne issues. So that needs to be addressed. So I'm going to recommend a few good products which I typically would write in my prescriptions for clients and patients with oily skin, depending on your budget. And that would be a face wash, a moisturizer, and here's another thing to remind you: everybody, whether they have oily or dry skin, needs a moisturizer. So I will give you recommendations for a cleanser, a face wash, a sunscreen which is suitable for your oily skin, then moisturizer for your oily skin, and other products which you could use just to make sure that your skin does not get too oily, so you're not prone to acne and whiteheads, blackheads, and comedones, and those then do need removals.